everyone. Start off by making a high ponytail and then twist the ponytail as such. Once you are done twisting it till the bottom, rotate it upon itself in order to form the shape of a bun. Now make sure that the edges are well inserted on the inside. Then proceed to use a clip or any other such object to insert the hair and fasten it in its place and keep it well put. You may also use bobby pins to take care of the small strands of hair. Then add a beret to the bottom or the top or wherever you want to. It should look like this. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail and make sure that it is well tied up by adding multiple number of knots with your rubber band. Now tie a rubber band at the bottom of your hair and then taking your U-pin, pull the bottom through the top. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band to the bottom of your ponytail and then fix it into your hair. Once you are done fixing it into your hair, you may attach a clip to make it look more like a bun. This will give you a puffy bun-like look. You may also add a brooch or a beret to your hair, should you like to make it more decorative for any sort of occasion. Fluff it out. For our next hairdo, we will start off by making a very low ponytail. Make sure that it is tied well by making multiple knots on your rubber band. Then take another rubber band and tie up the lower half of your hair as well, or rather the lower half of the ponytail. Fluff out the center and then roll it to the top and attach it with any clip that you like. Fluff it out. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail. Then section out your hair in two halves and then add a hair stick right on top. Roll the two sections of your hair around the hair stick. Then add a rubber band right at the bottom of it. Once you are done with this, take another rubber band and tie it up to the bottom of this newly formed ponytail. Then section this ponytail into two and then twist the bottom half into the top and then attach it to the top. Bring it up by sticking it together and then make another small ponytail so that the edge doesn't awkwardly stick out. Now insert this under your hair and add a bobby pin to make it stay put. Thank you for watching.